horny. How many times have you been told that? How many girls have said, "No, Horace, I can only be a sister to you"? Get your boots laced, buddy. Get hep to the jive. Step in and see Smiling Sam, the Zoot suit man. Step out with a Zoot suit, with a drape shape and a reap pleat. Wear an ankle-length jacket with 3-foot shoulders. Pants that begin at the chin, zoom to a 54-inch knee, then fade softly to a 3-inch victory cuff. Get hep. Get one. Get lost in a new Zoot suit.
What's jumping, chick?
You're really a sharp character. A mellow little fella. Now you call him a jive. You're on the right side, you alligator, you. Slip me some skin, my friend.
Well, all right, well, all root, well, all right.
Let's take a little righteous jive. Do you hear me? That's all, Jackson. We're off.